Hello people, this is Henry Lucas from Brandsynario, and today we're unboxing and reviewing the Tecno Spark 4 Lite. Let's see what's inside the box. Now let's take a look at the phone. The Spark 4 Lite comes in three exciting color variants: Midnight Black, Vacation Blue, and Helio Purple. Today we have the dazzling Midnight Black with us. The phone is exceptionally stylish and sleek. It has a glass front, a plastic back, and a plastic frame. Safe to say, it's not a fragile headset. It is neither too light nor too heavy. The Spark 4 Lite comes with a 6.52-inch dot-notch screen with 720 by 1600 pixel resolution, IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, and 16 million colors. Enjoy the vibrant colors at night by watching your favorite shows and movies. Now this model comes in a single memory variant, which is 32GB ROM and 2GB RAM. However, a dedicated card slot for microSD XC is provided to expand your memory space. The phone supports dual SIM, so you can use two numbers at the same time. You can unlock it with a rear-mounted smart fingerprint technology conveniently. The Spark 4 Lite runs on the Android 9.0 Pie operating system. The powerful MediaTek MT6761 Helio 822 chipset helps the phone to run smoothly. The main camera of the phone is 8 megapixels, which can be used to take decent pictures. You can play even more with the camera with additional features that include LED flash, HDR, and panorama. The selfie camera too includes an 8 megapixel lens for smart looking selfies. Connectivity options include LAN, Wi-Fi, hotspot, 4G LTE, Bluetooth, and GPS. The phone also comes in with the built-in FM radio, so you can groove to your favorite music any time of the day or listen to your favorite shows. It also comes with a non-removable, powerful 5000 mAh battery, which will last you all day. The Spark 4 Lite comes with a price tag of $13,499 only. It is a great fit for your day-to-day activities. We think this phone is pretty impressive for the features it offers at an exceptional price point. Let us know in the comment section below of what you think about this phone. That is all for today, folks. Like and subscribe to our channel. For more exciting tech updates, stay tuned to Brandsynario.